Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is Andy here and I'm on the job. So what I'm going to do today is do a review of a tool I've just bought. It's a multi-tool Erbauer. Purchased it from Screwfix to replace my old multi-tool, which broke. Wasn't a very thing that I wanted to happen, because I've been using it quite a bit on jobs obviously, and then all of a sudden it just stopped working, so I had to buy a new one. So I thought I'll buy a new one and do a review for you guys on YouTube. So what we'll do is do a bit of an unboxing video today. So like I say, we are on site doing a job. So I use it in this bathroom area here. Just need to sort of like cut some holes in the floorboards and that with it, which are in awkward places. That's why I need it. So what we'll do is get the tool, which is down here. There we go. Writing is backwards on it because I'm using the front facing camera on the phone. So here we go. I'll turn the camera around now and do a bit of an unboxing video. This is the Erbauer 300 watt EMT 300 QC multi-tool. It has a 4 meter corded flex with it. It says quick change there. It comes with carry case, some blades, as you can see, scraper, and it's even got some sanding things here. It's got the LED light as a power on. It's a variable speed. I think you can see just there on the picture it's got a variable speed button, and there you go. We've got 1100 to 20,000 RPM. Nice sturdy handle. So what we do is try and open it up, get it out, and then see what's inside the box. To bear with me, I'm holding the camera by hand because I'm doing this on site. So just tip the box up. There we go, everything falls out. So yeah, it's got a nice, quite sturdy plastic case. Quite decent clasps on it. I mean, normally when you get these it says carry case, it's something made out of cloth, which was what my last one was made out of. It's got a nice little box inside for the accessories, that's quite handy. I think they've properly thought about this, haven't they, really? I mean, these are the accessories. We've got the little scraper there, flat blades, and then they're also steel. That one's a steel and wood blade. What's this one? It's got little markings on. Oh, that one's just a wood blade. So that one's steel and wood. That one's just a wood one. Some Delta sanding pads. There's 9 in there. We've got the half round cutting blade. That's just for wood. And there's the pad for the sanding blades. Some nice little accessories. Not sure what that is, but I'm sure we'll find out. It just says on the back other brand only. So we'll probably find out what it's for in the instructions ruler. You got the instructions, everything's in plastic bags. So, yeah, the original instructions, how original. There you go, there's all the tools that comes with it. Oh, I'm assuming it's for the, yeah, it's something to do with the spindle lock. Anyway, we'll get it out of the box now. That's the quick release. That's what that thing's for then. That's what that thing's for. So just hold it in situ. Okay, I've kind of figured it out now. So what you do is when you release that is you pull it up and then you unwind that and it starts releasing the bottom there, so you can fit your tooling that you want to use. Now I need a wood one today. So so once you've wound it out, you can just clip in your blade that you need like that, and then you can just wind it back until it tightens the blade up. Obviously you can place that at different degrees or angle. So once you've done that, you can just clip that back into place like that, and there you've got a sturdy blade. And start cutting. As mentioned earlier in the video, there is the variable speed on the back, and it does come with an impressive long cable. So what I'll do is just unplug that. So I'll just give you an idea how long that cable is. There you go, you can actually get an idea of how long that cable is. That is absolutely brilliant because they do tend to get in the way quite a bit. So all we need to do is plug it in, I suppose. Once it's plugged in, switched on. There you go, that's the variable speed. Surprisingly, it's quite quiet. So there we go, that is the Erbauer multi-tool as reviewed by me, handy. We're going to put this into good use today, and we'll see how it performs today. First impressions, it's quite a sturdy tool. It's got a nice grip to it. It seems to be quite solid and well built, and I'm quite impressed with the carry case as well, and the accessories that have come with it. So it was $59.99, so it's I thought it was slightly more expensive than the cheaper one at McAllister do, which is what I had previously, and obviously that just broke, so I had to buy a new one. But I am quite impressed. It has got a long cable on it, which is ideal for working on jobs like me. So it's a decent trade quality tool. I've got to mention it does have LEDs on it as well, so it will. There we go. So you can see what you're doing while you're working. So there we go, that is Erbauer 300 watt multi-tool as reviewed by Andy. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you again in another video soon. Thanks for watching.